Since 1991, the Universitat Rovira i Virgili has generated and transmitted knowledge to society with the aim of fostering transformation and progress. It has 6 campuses spread across a network of dynamic cities in southern Catalonia, a region closely intertwined with the Mediterranean and its history, and with a strong tradition in agriculture, industry and tourism. The close relationship between the university and its surroundings guides its priorities and ensures that its work goes beyond the classroom into wider society in both economic and cultural terms. The URV's quality is based on its innovative approach to teaching and the research efforts of its teaching staff and researchers. The URV provides training in all knowledge areas, i.e. the humanities, the experimental sciences, health and technical studies, and regards specialization as the path to excellence. In only a few years, it has become one of the most productive research centers in Spain, has obtained internationally important results in the ambits of chemistry, engineering, clinical medicine, agricultural sciences, ecology and the environment, and information technologies, and has been awarded the status of campus of international excellence. The URV has 15,000 students studying bachelor's, master's and doctoral degrees, many of whom are international students thanks to the university's 140 mobility and cooperation agreements with institutions from around the world. The URV's flexible organization, research excellence, teaching innovation and commitment to society together create ideal conditions in which students can develop their skills and become free and responsible citizens, able to spearhead the projects needed to ensure the social and economic advancement of society. Welcome to the Universitat Rovira i Virgili.